Install like a pro without one. Say hello to DIGIMEDIA Bubble-Free Vinyl, premium performance at the price of standard vinyl. DIGIMEDIA's bubble-free technology is designed with advanced air channels that allow air to escape easily during installation, eliminating air pockets and providing a smooth, professional finish. It offers a user experience that rivals the best air release technology on the market, making it simple for everyone, store managers to staff. Here's some real-world proof. Matthew Seidel from Stands Out UK swears by it. Our guys aren't trained vinyl installers. They work in a warehouse, and they apply this vinyl to our point-of-sale stands every day. No training, no problem. So why go bubble-free? Cut cost. No need for professional installers. Move faster. Install on your terms. Say goodbye to reprints. Clean results every time. Put the power in your hands or your clients'. The best part? It's the most affordable bubble-free vinyl of this class on the market. No trade-offs, no compromises, just serious performance at a price your margins will love. Explore our full DIGIMEDIA Bubble-Free Self-Adhesive Vinyl range today and start saving what matters most, your time. DIGIMEDIA. Print smarter, install faster.